Are you struggling to set up your Sony A7 III with the Elgato Cam Link? You're in the right place. The Sony A7 III is a fantastic camera for video, and when paired with the Elgato Cam Link, it can transform into a powerful webcam for streaming or video conferencing. However, the initial setup can seem daunting if you're not sure where to start. Don't worry though. I'm here to guide you through the process of how to fix and use your Sony A7 III with the Elgato Cam Link. Step 1. Gather your equipment. First things first, make sure you have all the necessary equipment. You will need your Sony A7 III camera, the Elgato Cam Link, a compatible HDMI cable, and a USB 3.0 port on your computer. Make sure your camera's battery is fully charged or use an AC power adapter for longer sessions to prevent unexpected shutdowns during important broadcasts. Step 2. Configure your camera settings. Now let's dive into the camera settings. Turn on your Sony A7 III and go into the menu. Navigate to the Setup tab and select HDMI settings. Here you want to ensure HDMI info display is set to off to prevent on-screen information from appearing in your stream. Next, set HDMI resolution to 1080p for the best quality output. Moreover, ensure auto power off is set to off when not using an external power source to keep your camera from turning off during streaming. Step 3. Connect your devices. Next, it's time to connect everything. Plug the micro HDMI end into your Sony A7 III and the standard HDMI end into the Elgato Cam Link. After that, plug the Elgato Cam Link into an available USB 3.0 port on your computer. Successfully establishing these connections will allow your camera to send video signals through the Cam Link to your computer. Step 4. Install and configure software. Once your devices are connected, you need to install streaming software like OBS Studio or Streamlabs OBS, which are both free to download. Once installed, open the software and add a new video capture device. Select the Elgato Cam Link as your source. You should see the live feed from your Sony A7 III. Go ahead and adjust the camera settings within the software to your preference, such as resolution, frame rate, and any filters to achieve your desired video quality. Step 5. Troubleshooting common issues. It's common to encounter some issues during setup. If you experience no video signal, double-check all cable connections and ensure the camera is set to video mode. If audio is out of sync, consider using an external microphone for better quality and synchronization. Additionally, always run software and driver updates for your camera, Cam Link, and computer system to ensure compatibility and smooth operation. Congratulations! You've now learned how to fix and use your Sony A7 III with the Elgato Cam Link. By following these steps, you can transform your Sony A7 III into a high-quality webcam, perfect for live streaming, online meetings, or recording content. Keep experimenting with settings to get the best possible output and enjoy the seamless integration of these powerful tools. Now, go ahead and show the world what your Sony A7 III can do with the Elgato Cam Link.